Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out the Colourpop of Quartz palette, and this is what it looks like. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and it just has all these really pretty cool tones and gray shades. So I think we're going to create kind of like a smokier eye look with this palette today. So let's get started. So I already primed my lids with a little bit of concealer, as I usually do. You can use eyeshadow primer, whatever you want to use. I'm starting out by just going in with a Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to use the shade In the Zone, which is this color right here. It's a matte neutral color. I am just applying this shade on the outer corner of my eye and into my crease. And now that that shade is blended out, I am going to go into the shade Granite Access, and I'm using a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just going to apply this shade right over top of the one that we just laid down. And you guys can see I am pulling this shade outwards up towards my brow bone a little bit. Shades are blending so nicely. I don't think I want to go for a harsher cut crease eye look. You definitely could if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to keep the look on the softer side. So I'm not going to apply concealer to like cut my crease or anything. I'm going to use the shade Magmatic. First, actually, let's just swatch these three shimmer shades across. So we have the shade Transform, Ore, and Magmatic. And just look at how pretty. This one has like a little bit of like a blue tint to it, and that's just so pretty. I've never seen an eyeshadow shade like that. We're going to use this one on the eyes because it gives us like a dark, soft, glam, smoky eye look. So I am going to use my ring finger to apply this. You could also use a flat eyeshadow brush. I already know we're going to get the best pigmentation if I just apply it directly this way. And I'm just tapping this shade all over my lid. Look at how pretty this shade is and how pigmented it is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm going in with a Morphe M506 brush. It's just a smaller blending brush. And I'm going into the shade Opaque, which is, it's like not exactly black. It looks a little bit more like a very, very dark gray. But we're just going to apply this to the outer corners of the eyes. I'm just going to focus it more towards the lash line. And then I'm going back in with the shade In the Zone, which is the first color that we used in the crease. And I'm just using the shade to help blend everything together on the outer corners. The next thing that I'm going to do is add some inner corner liner. So I'm using the same matte black shade called Opaque. And I'm just using an angled eyeliner brush and just adding some inner corner liner. So now I am just going to apply some lashes from Kiss. And then I'm just going to add some liner to my waterline and mascara to my lashes. And I'm going to go back into the shade Granite Access and just place this on my lower lash line. I should have done it before mascara, but I kind of forgot. And then going in with a Morphe M124 brush, I'm going into the shade Mind Games and just placing this highlighting shade right onto the inner corners. And also onto my brow bone. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face makeup routine, add some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So now that my face makeup is done, I went ahead and applied a nude lip liner, and over top of that I'm going to use my Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Gloss in the shade Naked Cherry and just apply this over top. And this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I loved this palette. I'm obsessed with this look, and I just think that the shades in here are so wearable. A great palette if you do need to make a smoky eye, because you can use these dark shades. I think if you use this as a shimmer shade on the lid, it would look so good. And all the shades in here were super pigmented. Everything blended beautifully. Overall, I really liked this one, and I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button so you're notified when I upload a new video. I have a very highly requested video coming soon, so you don't want to miss it. So make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.